All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me turn that down for a minute. Wait there. Let me turn you guys back up. All right, good morning, everyone. Let me just have a quick listen and make sure the audio is all good. Give me 2 seconds. I messed around with the audios here, so I think I may have messed it all up a little bit. Let me just have a quick look. Let me just check. Hello, hello, testing. All right, sounds pretty good to me. Sounds pretty good to me. Awesome. Mark, what up, man? What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Get the Zoom guys in here in a second. Welcome back, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are doing well. Goldie with the big push up in Asia, same as copper. Absolutely a healthy drink. Look, that's how healthy it is. Look at that. There's the... Oh. Focus. There you go. Put up, Chow. Alright, let's get the Zoom guys in here. Let's get everyone in. Alright, get everyone in here. Zoom guys are joining. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. What's going on, Zoom guys? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Let me make sure everyone is in. Watch it, Chow. Careful. Careful. California here. Nice, nice, nice. Where's everyone else tuning in from? Love from India. Appreciate tuning in, man. Good morning, Amsterdam. Very nice, very nice. Good morning from Cali. Awesome, man. Good morning from Cape Town. Very nice. Wales. Good man, good man. Where's Aled? Aled would be proud. Germany, awesome. Back in Scotland with the umbrella. Good man. Japan, very nice. Very, very nice. What time is it? 1:45. Thanks for all you do. Thank you, man. Good morning from Rotterdam. Nice. Another one from Japan. Very nice. Good man, Nate. Afghanistan. Nice. Copper selling off. Yeah, copper has had a big push. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, man. Had a big push on copper today. Coming into some big resistance as well. Some big resistance. Yeah, some big levels here. Big support, big resistance, a big massive range on copper. I got out of my trade way too early today. Way too early. Did these copper buys. Unfortunately didn't maximize enough of that as I probably could. Hey Matt, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Why do I look really, let me just check this quickly. I look really dull. Gold having a little bit of a pullback, which is good because gold's had a pretty big run up today as well. That's right. Morning market call played out like you said. Put a buy order on the trading view, didn't actually do it due to the 9 to 5. Yeah, gold pulled up a lot today. I unfortunately didn't get it. The reason I didn't get it, hey Chris, what's going on, man? The reason I didn't get these gold buys is because these owlies here were like really throwing me off. But to be honest, once this closed bullish, I could have got it from here, but I took copper instead. But yeah, it played out really well. Even to come up into these highs, we were talking about like a 60 plus tick pullback on our morning market call, and then you ended up pulling back like over 140, which was huge. I personally took copper over gold, but it was a very, very big push up, a very, very big pullback. Caught that 500 move on copper early. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it was a really nice move. To be honest, there was a nice setup on gold on the 30-minute, which I believe is the one that you got, Chris. As you were grabbing the lows here, taking the flip of that, stop loss below that low to come up and pull back into these areas was a really, really nice trade. I was too fixated on copper, but it came in, I believe, at the exact same time. Copper came in an hour later. Yeah, and ended up ripping. Ended up ripping. Hit my DBT funded. Yeah, awesome, man. That was the exact place I had marked. Solid call. Yeah, good man. Yeah, really, really nice call. You know, I was looking for it to come down and grab some lows down here. But I mean, to be honest, once you break this resistance, that's your new barrier. You grab some lows, boom, fantastic from there. Or even, you know, even as that one closes, you manage somewhere down there, still like a absolutely beautiful, beautiful push. Really, really nice push. Got stopped on copper for break even 124. Oh man, yeah. I wanted to hold more, but then as that 30 kind of rejected the highs on copper and didn't really close above, I was like, I'm just gonna get out there. I would have loved to hold this up for more as well. It was pretty aggressive, and then we just absolutely ripped. Hi Aaron, hey man. Good morning guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, Antonio, what's going on, man? All right, let's have a look. Make sure everyone's in here. Start looking at Goldie. See what we got for London. We're having some decent volume here. Having some very decent volume here on gold. Let me get rid of all this analysis for a second. We'll do some clean charts in a second. Say let it breathe, yeah. Mark Wood. Let's have a look.
Recording in progress.
Whoa, that was loud. Apologies. All right, let's have a look here on gold. We know the daily's kind of closed a bit bearish and doji. Nothing too bearish, to be honest, but it's closed pretty doji. Is there no bottom wick on this daily? Oh, very, very, very small bottom wick. But we've pulled up a lot today in Asia. We've pulled up a lot. You know, you'd expect this daily to come down, bottom wick, grab the lows, and then be looking for this push up. But you've actually opened on this day and just instantly pushed up. I reckon there's a high chance we're going to see gold re-grab all-time highs again this week. I don't think that's the top on gold. 4 hour here on gold, you can kind of see, we got like what we spoke about this morning. You have this beautiful morning star here. You reject, you grab the lows. Not much of a retest though, that's why I didn't get this. And then just closing and a nice push up. Previous 4 hour, again, has closed very bullish. Current 4 hour, which we're only an hour into, is creating a very nice bottom wick. So could we start to find some support down here to start to flip bullish and come back up to the highs on gold? Yeah, I think it's possible. Anywhere from down here, actually, to be honest, that you're grabbing previous hourly lows that also had no bottom wicks. 30 minutes about to close in 7 minutes. Let's see how we react around this area. This would be a lovely area for fake out buys if we can maybe get back above here. Or even if we hold this level. This is a very nice level to me. Maybe even here, actually. Let's just have a look. Have a look left. You broke above, held it, broke below, held it, pushed down. Resistance, broke above, support. Big fake out, big push. Broke above. So if we do close below this level here on gold, could we looking for a break back above to take these buys? Start to get that one step ahead. Start to spot a little trend line coming down here as well. You know, if we do pull back up into these regions, we'll be creating a lot of liquidity around these highs. So this will be a very key area here on gold. With the way that 4 hour is aggressively bullish, I wouldn't be interested on sells on gold until maybe we do get back below here. Given the fact that this 4 hour could just be creating one big bottom wick to reflip bullish. Yeah, this is an area I would be open to looking for some longs on gold. I'm going to make this chart up here by 15. 15 still looking pretty bearish for now though. Pretty bearish for now. But yeah, maybe if we get back below here on gold, We could look for some sells or maybe, you know, like a strong hourly bearish closure. Big fake out, like hourly closure back below here. Great, we can look for some sells. But as it stands, this could be just creating one big bottom wick grab in the lows to reflip bullish. Oh yeah, it's going to close in 5 minutes. Yeah, let's just see this. Let's see if this hourly does close back below here. Top wick potential to look for a pullback. This hourly close is going to be key. Let's wait for this hourly close on gold. It's only 5 minutes away. So let's have a quick look at copper here as well. This was the copper trade I took in the Asian session. Let me just get rid of this. Let's go to the 4 hour here on copper. Let me just quickly get up top step. Top step. And my personal. Alright, cool. Top step fired up here. Yeah, I took about $900 on that copper buy this morning, just using 2 contracts. It's a very, very nice push. Very, very nice push. All right, cool. We got top step up here as well now. But yeah, copper had a very strong daily close. You know, you grabbed all the highs, you held this big resistance, and today you came down, you grabbed the day lows and instantly reacted back higher. Now coming into some very nice 4 hour resistance, and this is about to close in 4 minutes here as well. And this was the 4 hour support about here. Nice resistance, broke above, held its support once, twice, came down, grabbed the lows, and then had that really nice. So you're kind of creating one big massive range here on copper. But it's a pretty nice range. This is like a 90-ish tick range. So again, we've got that 4 hour close coming in here on copper. See how this closes. If we close respecting these lows, could this just flip bullish and pull back up a little bit higher? Potentially to come like back up into these areas? Yeah, possible. Wouldn't be too crazy. Oh, sorry, Zoom guys. You guys on Zoom, if I make it like this, so you can see both at the same times. Cheers, Craig. Is this too big, you guys on Zoom? Does this look stupid? Because I have to drag and drop it every time. This is okay? This doesn't look with both screens in one? No, it's fine? Cool. Alright, well, we'll leave it like that, and you guys can see both at all times. Sorry about that. Yeah, so just saying here on copper, for you guys on Zoom. I'm on the right screen on YouTube, yeah. Yeah, you came down, you had the support, you grabbed the lows, held it, and then fulfilled this whole entire range down here. And this is going to be the close in about 2 minutes. And we kind of see we are finding some resistance. So it'll be interesting to see how this 4 hour opens. If we open with an instant bottom wick, yeah, there's the potential to come back up into these areas. Potential to come back up into, yeah, like, you know, back up into here. Wouldn't be too crazy on copper. Come back up into them areas. We'll see this gold hourly close here in 2 minutes as well. So 4 hour close coming up on copper. And then we got the hourly close coming up on gold as well. You kind of do have this level here on copper, actually. It's a pretty nice level. It's a nice level here. It's not so much here. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pretty nice level, actually. About there. Yeah. Nice support there on copper. So, bit of a range here on copper. I do believe if we can get maybe back above here, that would be a great buy. 40 plus ticks. And gold is looking like it is actually going to fake out on this hourly. So if we do get a top wick, we may look for just a little range play here. 40 tick range play, yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's see, anything can happen in 1 minute. Look at this rejection. I want to see if I'm going to short gold. I want to see it actually close below this body here and confirm a fake out. Otherwise, this could just be a liquidity grab to pull back to our original bias. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. That's the thing. You know, copper 4 hours leaving a big rejection. Gold 4 hour has still massively closed bullish. And you haven't really re-grabbed the highs. You know, even if you were going to have a big dip down, well, you'd have at least grabbed the highs first. Like, you grab the highs and then you have the big push. We haven't really grabbed the highs there. So, it's possible that this 4 hour can flip at any point. Let me have a look. 30 minute. Let me see this hourly. Hourly's still going to close pretty bearish. If you get a top wick, 5 minutes kind of grabbing some pretty decent highs here. Small tip on how to trade NQ. I'm not an NQ wizard, unfortunately, man. I don't really trade it too much. I'm not the best one to give advice on NQ. Me and NQ, we don't get on too well. Goldie, on the other hand, absolutely. All right, so you're gonna close pretty bearish here on the. What are you kind of forming? We're kind of forming some sort of support here. Kind of grabbed the lows, held the support, grabbed the highs, held the resistance. At that 15 close. Yeah, pretty bearish. Looking like you could maybe come down and grab some of these. I'd like to see a bit more of a top wick here though. If I want to short gold, I'd rather short it up here. That 5 minute is kind of crazy. Look at that. That's a big amount of volume. That's a 20 tick wick. 20 tick wick. Why copper? Start looking. Oh yeah, there you go, Chris. Got you, man. Got you. But yeah, it just moves nice. Moves very similar to gold. Similar price action. Has a very big rejection there on gold. Very big rejection. Copper on the hourly. Holding this support. 4 hour did just close as well. Wrong chart. 4 hour on copper. Still pretty bullish though. If copper can come down into here, I think copper could have some nice buys. Copper is definitely one to watch. Yeah, I like that too, man. I wonder if you're going to come down and maybe re-grab these hourly lows, then hold the support and then get the longs. You know, could we be looking for like maybe something like this? Come down, grab these lows, hold it, and then towards that 8 AM, look for the buys maybe. Morning, Pierre. What's going on, man? Yeah, I think we may grab the lows a little bit more here. Not enough for me to short it yet, though. Let's have a look. What's Top Step saying? Let's have a look. Oh, you guys can't see it properly. 36% people long on gold. 64% people short. So more people are still trying to short gold here for now, anyway. Let's see. Yeah, I think this copper could actually shape up to be more interesting. I'll either look for some buys on copper if you can come down a little bit more, or break back above here. And then you could be looking for the longs. So I'll take longs either down here, or if we do get back above here, we can get some longs. Yeah, from like here to here. Yeah, 45 tick range, actually really nice. And you can kind of see it is a very big left shoulder head, big right shoulder as well, before seeing a potential sell-off on copper. Looks pretty clean, to be honest. Someone did ask about Nasdaq. Let's have a quick little look. What's Nasdaq been up to? It's been pretty crazy yesterday. Got some nice highs up here. Let's see if they did get grab on the S&P. No, they did not. Wait, didn't they? What time is that? The 2 p.m. 2 p.m. No, they haven't. They haven't been grabbed yet. So you're creating a big range on Nasdaq. Very big range. Daily. Wait out the highs. Closed bullish. Looking like this could flip bullish and come up a little bit higher on Nasdaq. I don't think so. Yeah, previous one it did this one. Goldie gold on the 5 minute holding that support for now. NQ equal to US 30? Nah, NQ is Nasdaq. US 30 is the Dow. YM. That's US 30. Let's see, 5 minute here on gold holding that support. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute holding a pretty strong level. 15 minute could top wick into there. Did you guys on all YouTube? When you guys get this push up on gold in Asia? It's a really big push. I didn't get any of it. It's a really, really big push though. Real big push. Let's have a look at this 5 minute here on gold. What are we up to? I mean, if you re-break these lows here, we could be looking for a dip down to where? Maybe back down to here. Let's see, 2 minutes. Got about 30 ticks of it. Yeah, nice, James. Good work, man. What would the flip of this 5 look like on gold? Because there's no bottom wick on the futures. These wicks are pretty aggressive. What's that? It's about 16 ticks. See if you can pull back into there, about 20. Got the whole move. Nice, 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 nice. Sizing is just, well, just percent risk. Stick to 1 to 2% risk, depending on trading funding firms, personal. There's no specific size that you should trade. It's just sticking to the rules. If you're on funding, if you're trading personal, then you got to make your own rules. My last 3 trades I managed and it carried on hitting TP. Well, then just don't manage. Sounds obvious, but it's as simple as that. If you keep managing your trades and they keep ending up hitting TP, literally just stop managing your trades. It's super simple. There's no, you obviously don't have enough data though, because if you're just kind of guessing because you don't really know what works, then you don't have enough data, so therefore you shouldn't even be trading live anyway. You need to know, like, should I be, over a long period of time, does managing my trades make me profitable? Yes or no? If the answer is no, stop managing trades. If the answer is yes, fantastic, keep managing trades. But don't cherry pick. don't manage some trades and then not manage some others. That's not how trading works. And if you don't know whether managing trades does work over a long period of time, then you don't have enough data. Therefore, you need to build up more. There's no guesswork in trading. Depends on what time frame you're executing off. You know, if you're buying off the hourly and then manage off the 5 minute, then obviously that makes no sense. The only time I'll manage on the 5 minute is if it's a scalp. If I'm trading on the 30, I'll let it play out on the 30 as well. Maybe it's a little bit bigger. Me, easy. Opinion on trimming contracts versus holding? I don't really have any. I don't do it personally. Strong 5 minute close there on gold. We do have buyers back above here on gold. Back above here. Quite a lot at the minute, Bradley, to be honest. If I'm taking it off the 30, I'll just set alerts. Well, I don't really ever hit it, just let it hit stop loss, because I don't really have a hard one that it comes near. I'll just kind of cut it if it, you know, the actual candle closes against me. But I mean, a lot of the time, most of my trades, like even the copper trade in the Asian session, we're just literally just executing it, setting alerts and walking away and not even watching it. A lot of them at the minute, to be honest, are actually doing that. I'm not. Recently, I honestly haven't taken many 5 minute scalps at the minute, just because the 30 minute on gold has just been moving so clean. I just do it on TradingView, Billy. Just on TradingView, man. I don't think you can set alerts on. No, you can't set alerts on Top Step X yet. But yeah, I do all of mine on TradingView. I mean, I do it off this currency chart anyway. Managing destroys my wins. Yeah, see, that's good, man. It's good that you actually know that. And swing trading is great. It's always good to have them swings in the background, man. Sometimes they can be the most simple, you know. And you got to kind of just get disciplined with not checking it like every 2 minutes. You know, like if I take a trade on the 30, I'm coming back at the next 30 close. Like I'm not watching it at like halfway through or quarter of the way through. If I'm taking off the 30 and I'm setting alerts, I'm not checking the charts till either my alerts are going off or until that candle has actually closed. And I can do that comfortably with like, you know, 2, 3, 4 contracts. I can happily just execute and walk away. Anything bigger than that is not. I'm not quite there just yet. Yeah, I always have hard stop losses further down just in case anything crazy happens, but always alerts. Like whenever I'm not on the charts, like even after the streams in the London session, you know, I always have alerts set somewhere, at least 2. Like for here right now on gold, it's like if I wasn't on stream with you guys, I'd have an alert here, and I'd have an alert here. And I'd literally just go about my day until one of the alerts go off. And as soon as my alerts do go off, amazing. Come straight back to my desk and see what's what. See what's shaping up. See what's shaping up. What's this 30 minute on gold? Still pretty bad. Yeah, I got buyers. If we get back above here for a much deeper push. Especially off that hourly. I get too zoned into the lower time frame, but yeah. Even the 30 and the hourly still closed bearish against me, so no buys just yet. One minute, yeah, the more you know, yeah, 1 minute's crazy, man. Crazy. Have a full margin just to feel like that emotion you got? Nah, hell no. I've come too far to go full margin and blow everything. Hell no. I mean, maybe on a funding firm, if I do something stupid, it's so easy to do sometimes, but on personal, nah, I'll never let myself get to that situation. I'd feel like the biggest idiot ever if I lost smashed loads of my personal, just gone. Nah, fuck that, hell no. I think it's quite scary because you're always one trade away from doing that, but as long as you recognize that, you know, you can be pretty safe. 15 is about to close bullish. 30 minutes still a bit too bearish for me here to want to buy gold just yet. Starts to pray for it to go back to break even. Yeah, we've all done that. We've all been there like hoping and wishing, speaking to the trading gods to get us back to break even. And then we end up entering more and more and more. And then you just smash the account. Gone. Gone. Yeah, to be honest, the only people I see trade the 1 minute well is people who trade like NASDAQ. A decent push here on gold. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. You never want to experience again. Yeah, 100%, man. I mean, we've all done it at some point. If you haven't, you will at some point. So get it over and done with. It's normal to do it. So I don't know any full-time good trader that hasn't at some point blown an account from just doing something fucking stupid. Strong 15 close here. Kind of back above this little level. If we get a decent bottom wick, I would consider it. I really kind of want to see this 30 get back above there. See, look at that 4 hour now. 4 hour now starting to have a big rejection. But the hourly was very bearish. So you still got easy buys once you get an hourly fake out here. Or at least a 30 fake out. I think 30 fake out would be the cleanest. Or a steeper 15 bottom wick. Wait, do you see what's going on, man? Starting to push back higher. 51% people long on top step, 49% people short. Decent fake out of that level. Broke above, held that. What was that? 25 ticks. Look at that. Huge. Huge. Yeah, I've done that. Yeah, I've done that a few times, Brad. Yeah, put on like 20 or something just to see the numbers and see how crazy it is. Yeah, it's a good thing to do to get used to it, man. That's how you get used to it and level up from it. What's the TP for what? Oh, yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Copper trying to get back higher as well. Yeah, no, I like copper buys back above here. Copper buys back above there. Yeah, if you're in this one, yeah, you're in for a good move back up into here. I really want to see this. I want to see this 30 fake out. Look at that. It's looking to be a big push here. Look at the hourly though. Hourly did close nice and bullish, aggressively bearish, and now you're coming all the way back higher. Any rejection from here though, this is great. That's that liquidity. The 4 hours almost close to flipping already, which is crazy. But I'm not going to take a fake out until at least this 30-minute closes. I'm not going to trade against that hourly just yet. So as soon as this does close in 12 minutes, as long as you don't ground these highs, bottom wick, boom, fantastic. Give me 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. let's have a look. Let's have a look. I think we're gonna get some nice gold buys here. Oh, this is actually quite nice already. Instant bottom wick. What do we have? About 17 ticks into the highs here on gold. Let me have a look. It's a very, very nice very nice instant bottom wick. Let me see, 4 minutes. The thing is, you could look at buys from here. Thing is, you could easily still come back down into here before seeing that push. So realistically, your stops would have to be something like that, and your break-even point would have to be here. Which, I mean, 0.1. Like, you could manage if you do get back below here, but the fact that you could easily pull back into there on this next 30, a little bit risky. A little bit risky. There's no certain contract amount, man. It's just risk to reward, percent risk. There's no every trade requires a certain amount of contracts. I've done a full video on my top step risk management though. Definitely say worth checking out for sure. Anyone who's shorting gold here, stops will be above these highs. So there's a high chance we do rip these. We just need to get it from a place where it does make sense, which to me would be below this next 5-minute low. Or you just rip it from here. That's fine. Let me get rid of this downside level now. Copper's coming out for a decent hourly. Potential decent 30-minute fake out on copper as well coming up. Come on, Goldie. See if this 5 could give us a steeper bottom wick on the next 5. You kind of have a lovely, nice little left shoulder head, right shoulder there as well. You're just going to push from there. What's that? What's that 5 flip giving you? Yeah, even that 5 flip on gold there. No, it's not bad. It's giving you like 10 ticks. It's alright. Not worth a crazy full risk. I took it at 2. Not worth any more than that. Not worth any more than that for me personally. Where's my Soon as you start grabbing these highs, if you did take that, that's where you would have to be managing. Look at that 30 on gold. Absolutely ripping. Ripping. I still think you're going to get a steeper bottom wick on the next 30. Even if this rips like this, which is good. This 30 could easily still come back down, bottom wick to here, before then we get the big push up into all-time highs again. That's why if you did take that little 5 flip, be open to managing as soon as you grab these highs, because that is a strong possibility that you could get a steeper pullback. Yeah, loads of resistance. Yeah, big level. I mean, it's also the 4-hour flip as well. That's that 4-hour reflip and bullish. Look at that crazy closure above. Huge bottom wick like we spoke about. But to be honest, would we be looking for buys so aggressive after the hourly actually closed aggressively bearish? No. So if it just rips from here, that's fine. Got out 240. Yeah, nice. Good man. Let's see. Because you're kind of, you buy it before, then you are trading against the previous hourly, so you do have to accept that is pretty risky. It's not a trade I will take very often, so I haven't taken anything on any gold buys on the personal. I never trade against hourly bearish engulfing close. Yeah, maybe on the closure on the 30, you may have some copper buys as well, just for a little range play, about maybe 26 ticks. You got 59% people long on gold, 41% people short. Was it minus 800 now and plus 300, leaving one runner? Stop loss and break even. Yeah, nice, good man. Well done. Good stuff, man. I'm keen to see how this 30 closes on copper as well. I would love to see it close, yeah, back above this level. Gold coming back down here as well. What did that hit? I don't think it says 1,000. Nah. 20, 18. Yeah, look at this on Goldie. Coming back down here. Let's see. If we do close, I mean, you're still going to get even if you don't rip from here on gold, you're still going to get a pretty strong 30-minute close. But you are also now re-grabbing previous 4-hour highs. Steep bottom wick there. Let's see, you're going to get these 30 closes in 2 minutes. Trying to reset the mindset. It's good, man. It's good. It's always good to take a break. Markets are going nowhere, man. A break's always good. Break's always good, man. It's always good to remember the market's going absolutely nowhere. Sometimes just having even a couple of days off can help you. Yeah, it's huge area up here. Let's see this 30 close. 30 close coming in. Hey, Alan, what's going on, man? Couple of days off school, a weekend. It's true. Copper's not going to break out, but it's still going to give a pretty strong 30-minute close. Or if you get next bottleneck on the 30, you could see copper have a pullback. No, I'm not, man. I'm not in. Yeah, you missed it, Alad. Snooze, you lose. We're done for the day now, man. Now I want to see if this. I haven't got anything on my personally. I want to see if this 30 can give a decent bottom wick so I can get some proper longs here. See if we're gonna come and test all-time highs again on gold. I imagine we're going to see a bit of a steeper pullback. That's why I closed one and just went to break even on that little gold scalp. Nah, just close it. Whatever. Let's see, 4 seconds. 4 seconds to this 30-minute close. Let's see. So you've still closed. Let's have a look. There's a pretty kind of messy area. You got big resistance there. Big resistance there. Kind of pretty hard to draw levels in here. Decent support down there. Big hourly resistance. Copper is coming down for an instant bottom wick. Copper's actually looking a bit... Gold, I'm trying to draw levels, just kind of getting pretty ugly. Copper, though, is coming down for an instant bottom wick. But it is strong hour level as well. I mean, you can take the flip on the 30 flip on copper if it flips and doesn't break the level. Yeah, that's fine. You can manage pretty well. Like if you take the buys here on copper, what do you have? 15. It's not the nicest. It's not the nicest. How's that 4 hour looking? Yeah, still strong 4 hour level. Let's see. Copper left a nice double top. Yeah, these highs. I do like these highs. It's a very nice instant bottom wick. Like if you were to look at what, something like that, you could have a pretty tight stop loss there. See if you can pull back. The only thing is I don't like about this copper trade is, well, it's massive hourly resistance that you did break above and faked out straight away. And with no real liquidity above. So unlike the trade earlier, it's like you had a perfect liquidity grab and liquidity for target. So buys was so much easier. Whereas buying here, well, you could get stuck at buys right at resistance. So if that 30 does flip on copper, that's fine. I'm personally not going to take that trade. It's nowhere near as clean as what the one was this morning. I would rather see it. I'd rather see us actually close back above this level, because look how strong this is. This is a, although I do believe there's a possibility to pull back, this is still a huge area. If we just get rid of this level, like, this is massive resistance. So if you take a buy on copper, yeah, you're buying right at resistance. We still never filled in that gap, which is pretty crazy as well. And if we do maybe break down, you have a kind of a big area down here as well. Grabs 15 lows and flips. Yeah. I like that plan, man. It sounds good. I like that. You can manage risk pretty well down there as well. It's worth a shot. As long as that's the thing, although it's big resistance, if you can get in with a good risk reward and where you can actually manage stops at a good level, yeah, we'll give it a shot. Why not? If it doesn't work, who cares? It's all part of the testing. It's all part of the testing on copper. Gold is having a pretty decent 30 bottom wick. The only thing is with gold as well. Again, it's a strong hourly level. Grabbing these previous 5-minute lows here on copper. Let's see, it's a pretty decent 5 close. Grabbing the lows. Let's see if gold gives an instant bottom wick. Maybe look for a little scalp here, risk off these lows. Oh no, too bearish. I was about to say, if it closes like that, could have a potential morning star play. Too bearish. Too bearish. What's that 15 look like on copper? Did you grab the lows? Not quite. %49 people long. 50-50 on gold right now. 50-50. Yeah, no go for me. Yeah, don't blame you, man. Yeah. I think maybe the next 50 may give you a better bottom wick. Your copper future chart shows another 4 minutes left on the 30 candle. Really? That's weird, man. Mine doesn't. Yeah, I'm sure you definitely got the paid. I don't like dropping down lower than the 15 on copper. That's the only thing I've found with copper is I don't drop down. To be honest, I've dropped down to the 15 once and got caught out. The lowest I'd like to go on copper now is probably the 30. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like. Yeah, copper on a 15. Yeah, kind of tough. I think the 30 is good. Yeah, Goldie pulling back here as well. Goldie having a bit of a pullback. Creating some resistance here. So again, we do have buys above here. If this 30 can flip bullish, flip at this 30, see if we get these pushes into all-time highs. If we don't re-break the highs, that's fine. Potential sells maybe on the break below here to re-grab these lows that we never really re-grabbed. The 4 hour did come up and just grabbed the 4 hour highs, and now it's coming back down, which is pretty interesting. HG1. This one? Yeah, same as me. That's weird. That's weird. Could we be due a pullback here on gold? Could it be time for a pullback? Look at this hourly. Could this just be one big grab of the previous hourly highs? Like if this hourly in 21 minutes closes back below here, you could have a very nice pullback. Like, back down to like there maybe? Could this just be one big liquidity grab on the hourly? Maybe. Let's see. We won't know until we probably get back below here. So we got buys if this can flip bullish, or we got sells if we can close back below here. Two pretty easy scenarios now on gold, which is good. Where is he? Let me see him.
Trying to scare the markets.
Here he is.
Here he is.
What's going on, man?
I haven't jumped in a Zoom for donkeys, eh?
I know. You want to introduce yourself or anything? Are you new here? You just joined?
Yeah, I'm new to the community. My name's Alex. I've been community for 12 years. That's what it seems like. I used to have hair. How's it going, guys?
Good, man. Good to have you back on.
Yeah.
Looks like some sort of super villain.
Yes, super. That better? There you go.
But he's grabbing the lows. Copper is grabbing the lows. So now if it's a big if, but if it can flip bullish, well, you do have a pretty decent stop now. If it can reflip bullish, it doesn't look like it will, but if it can, yeah. Yeah, why does mine not say that? I don't actually know why mine doesn't say that. All I do is when I type in copper, I just go, I just do this.
Trade denied.
Even when I do this one, where is it? Yeah, I don't know.
You look nice and warm, Aled, as usual.
Yeah, I've got the heating on because I'm not paying for it. So it's
I ain't got the heating on. It's about 20, high 20s, if not 30 today. I don't know why I got the heating on.
okay, guys. Good.
See you, man. It's yeah, 24 right now. I know he's got the heating on.
What is it?
28 here in Melbourne. Holy shit, it's a heat wave in Melbourne.
That's childish.
I reckon if you started the movie theatre and one of those project each Sunday morning, you make an absolute killing.
Oh, for sure.
10 degrees here.
10. That's crazy.
I'm gonna put my shorts on again. I'm back to 15, I think so.
Tight supply zone, yeah. It's very, yeah, it's a very, very big area. Coming close to them all-time highs. The daily is pretty crazy on gold. It's you know, yesterday you kind of found some resistance, closed doji. I mean, you know, it's not enough to start, you know, anticipating some huge pullbacks, but you'd expect at least today to maybe come down, grab some lows, but they just opened and just actually ripped, which is huge. So yeah, today's just shows how strong gold is at the minute. Been on an absolute crazy run. 2 minutes. 15 is not going to flip bullish, but we do have to remember this 30 could easily flip bullish at any point. We don't want to be too focused on the 15 and the 5. We got sells on the 30 closure below here. Until then, break back above this level and we could have some longs. Oh, look at that copper on the 15. Also grabbing the lows. I think that's what you mentioned, Craig. Grabbing the lows. So if it flips, you got a very valid stop. A very valid stop.
Yesterday's highs at, I think, 27.41 just look like such a nice target on gold.
Yeah, it does. It really wouldn't surprise me if we just rip it. Look how much we chopped around here yesterday. Look at this. Look at this 5 minute from what was that 1:30 London time until 3:30 pretty much. Look at that absolutely insane 5 minute range. How many people do you reckon got absolutely wrecked trying to trade that? How many times you grabbed the lows and tried to push, and then grabbed the highs and tried to push and just got absolutely ruined by the time that massive push came in? Or you can draw on the range, wait for it to break out, and then maybe take like that bit of the move rather than trying to catch up here. It's crazy range. So things on gold in between here and here can get very ugly. Can get very, very ugly. So we do want to be aware of that. No, 15 on copper is not flipping bullish, but aggressively closing bearish now. Sorry guys on YouTube here, talking about this big range. Huge range. I don't know who that is. But yeah, 15 on copper is closing bearish. So any buyers in the break of the high, you'd be looking to cancel. $15's about to close on gold. Bearish. Right at support. Sell. All right. Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll on YouTube. What does everyone think today's close on gold is going to be? Do you reckon it's going to be bullish? Or do you reckon we're actually going to close bearish? reckon? Bit 50-50 at the minute.
It could be creating a head and shoulders there, bud. 5. See where your level is.
Yeah, that's what I'd like. Yeah, you kind of got two. You kind of got one here,
Mm.
and you kind of also
Yeah.
got like one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind looking for some shorts up here. Little pullback.
Yeah.
I do love a
Very
good head
good,
and
very
shoulders.
nice.
Yeah, Mark's retired. Yeah, that's crazy. No stream tomorrow. Mark's retired.
Shit!
Yeah.
Well, he's beaten us both in the pips then, is he?
Yeah, Brett won his mic back. Look at this, the poll on YouTube, 50-50, which, yeah, I'm pretty 50-50 as well, to be honest. Even on Top Step right now, 47% people long, 53% people short. A lot of people buying oil right now, though, for some reason. Let's have a look at oil. Top Step loading up some longs on oil. What do we
Petrol's
have?
really cheap over here at the moment as well.
Really?
Yeah. It's down to 127 in my local area.
That's good, yeah, that's good.
Was that a trend line I saw?
No. That's the trend line you want.
10 a litre in Dubai. That's disgusting.
That's crazy.
No wonder they got supercars.
So I was saying, let's have a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq been moving today. Kind of some very tough ranges as well. Even on kind of everything's in some pretty tough ranges today by the looks of it. What else we got here on crude oil, gold, Nasdaq? Anything else? Anything else anyone is looking at? Feel free to shoot it over. Like I say, it doesn't have to just be gold or oil. You can have a look at some other stuff.
Coffee beans?
Coffee beans. I'm in. I'm long-term invested as a daily user.
You definitely are a long-term
Yeah,
investor in
I'm
coffee
a
beans.
long-term investor. What's up? Hey man, what's going on? Nvidia's back at all-time highs? Really? Fuck, I checked that last week. Oh my days. Oh my god, it is. Oh, very, 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 very close. Very close. That's crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. AUD USD, yep, definitely. Remember, if you trade in AUD USD, you can also just trade the futures as well, if you really want to. If you like AUD USD, but you want to trade futures, maybe you can trade Australian dollar futures on Top Step as well. Let's have a look though. Let's have a look. What can we see? Do a little bit of top down here on AUD USD. I haven't traded this in a while. You had some pretty big resistance here that you faked out of. Aggressive seller faked out of, having a pullback. It's looking pretty bearish for AUD USD. Let's have a look at the monthly. Oh yeah, monthly looking pretty heavy here. Very heavy. Could be in for a pretty decent sell off for the next couple of weeks, couple of months. Daily though, daily could be due a pullback. Coming in some pretty big daily support. But yesterday, you did grab some highs and actually close bearish. So maybe if today fakes out, you could look for some longs. On an intraday time frame here, what can we see? Let's have a look. Kind of see you've come down, grab some lows. You had a nice reaction higher. You could be looking to come back up and maybe revisit these areas if you were to pull back. If I had to give a bias on Aussie dollar, maybe to pull back before pulling back a little bit. You have some very, very nice support. You ranged for a while and then had this nice pullback. You had this really nice push during the Asian session. Really nice push. So if you're not already in that push, you'd now be looking for it to pull back before then, maybe coming up to these highs. You'd imagine anyone who is selling here. Probably doing something like that. People trying to sell here. Stops above these areas. There's a high chance that you could see these grabbed. Very similar to gold. Euro USD. Yep. Same as Australian dollar. Remember, we got Euro futures as well. Euro futures exactly the same as Euro USD. Kind of very similar outlook, to be fair. You've come down, you've grabbed some lows, you have some very nice highs over here as well. Starting to have the pullback, to be honest. Kind of looking like similar to AUD USD, but before the big move. You're about to break back above this big level. So yeah, you could be looking for Euro USD to have a pretty decent correction. Maybe back up into them areas. If you get bottom wick on the next hourly, hold this level. Yeah, you could look for Euro USD, Euro dollar to have a decent pullback. Did Bitcoin?
On the right.
Yeah, booming, man, booming. Booming. Look at this.
Still holding in.
What a push. Coming back for them 70s. Swing long. Yeah, nice. Good man. Where was that? What was I saw a nice crypto chart the other day. Was it Link? Link having a nice breakout? No, it wasn't Link. I think it was Link. I sent it in Discord. Maybe I did it on the other chart. Maybe I did it on this one. I sent some analysis into Discord. I don't know where it's gone. Was it Link? I thought it was Link. I don't know. But yeah, some cryptos having some pretty decent breakouts. Some very, very decent breakouts. Look at this on Link. Some pretty decent. Even here, you're gonna come into a nice area. You've kind of already had a pretty solid breakout here. Broke out, held it. With a nice little retracement here. Actually looking pretty nice. Same here as well. And some big areas. Big areas. Getting squeezed in some pretty decent areas. Could be in some crypto coins. Could be could be coming in some pretty interesting areas soon. Yeah, 5-minute pushing up here on gold. See this probably this hourly now though, to be honest. I won't be trading in this range. I don't want to get caught up in here. Yeah, decent 30 rejection. Nice little 5-minute bounce off this little level. As I kind of got an inverse head and shoulders. You kind of got like it's pretty choppy, but you do have this sort of left shoulder here, head, right shoulder. Then you kind of also have the same to the highs, which means you're probably just ranging. Obviously, looking at it from the inverse perspective would make the most sense because we're so bullish. So if you can get back above all-time highs, you just have to kind of be aware that if you do close back above, let me just have a quick look at copper again. What did copper get up to? Ooh, look at that on copper. Potential 15-minute fake out. That could actually be nice. Yeah, you do have to just be aware on gold that, like here, this range is crazy. Like, look at this yesterday. Like, this was just absolutely insane. So you have to be aware, once you do start getting back above there, yeah, it can get pretty messy. As long as you can get in from the lows, you're pretty safe. You just got to be careful anywhere in the middle. I think a 15-minute fake out here on copper could actually be much nicer. 15-minute fake out and this 30, where are we? Could still flip bullish, and this could just be one big steep bottom wick, which is also going to give that hourly, hopefully, a strong close.
Yeah.
Tough areas though, tough areas today. Very tough. What time is it? Coming up to 8 AM London time. 8 AM London time. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in. 15-minute fake out incoming here on copper in a second.
I think I'd rather the old GT3 than the new GT3. Not gonna lie to you. I'm not saying it's in my price range. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying.
Oh, new one.
Yeah. I think I like the old 911, like the GT3 before this one. I don't know. It just looks very plain.
Mark said no. Mark said you're not allowed to like that.
I'm not gonna say no when someone buys something to me. Obviously. Yeah. Mark and his retirement. Just saying.
Fully retired and just smashed a mango before because mango season, life is good.
Did you say wife is good? You got a wife?
Yeah, Mark does it, yeah.
No, life is good. Aaron might
Did you see how quick? Did you see how quick he was there?
He might like to think things sometimes.
You did you hear that?
Alex G make 100 to 1 million. How is it possible in 3 months? It wasn't. He's full of shit. He's the biggest, fakest guru going. Anyone who claims making 100 to 1 million, not on a verified broker, is the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen from someone who calls himself a professional trader. An absolute embarrassment. Let me guess, he did it on a broker that no one's ever heard of. Yeah, at him. He probably did it on a broker that no one's ever heard of. even if it somehow was possible, ignore that crap. Ignore that crap. Don't even think about it. Don't even give it a second of thought. Like if I see something, I'm like, whatever. It's not impressive. Well, it would be impressive because it's extremely, extremely unlikely. I mean, he said he's made like 10 mil from trading. I don't think he's ever showed a live account on a verified broker of him making anywhere even close to 10 fucking million trading. Makes the most ridiculous claims to sell stuff to people who have no idea about markets. Anyone who claims to even have made $1 million without showing you proof is absurd. He faked it. Yeah, of course he fucking faked it. He's full of shit. Not really building sustainable habits. That's it. That's why it's like, yeah, if he did it, cool, big deal. Who cares? Proof of losing mil. Yeah, he's got more proof of losing the mil as well. 15 is about to fake out here on copper, which is actually looking pretty nice. I might look to take a combined copper trade here if we get a bottom wick on this next 15, which is also going to be this 30, leaving a pretty decent rejection. Only thing is, hourly, it's kind of bullish. Let's see if you get. I need a bottom wick though. Hourly is just closed bearish, holding the support, reclose back bullish. So if you get a bottom wick, yeah, you could look for some longs on copper here in a second. If I do take this, it will just be a combine trade. I'm done for copper for the day. 30 ticks into highs. Same as gold. Gold's kind of how did gold close on the hourly? Yeah, gold's still nice and bullish. Come down for an instant bottom wick. Actually, let me look at gold. If gold comes to grab these 5 minute lows, I'm gonna look for a long on gold instead. Actually, gold to me is looking nicer. If you can come down and grab some lows, because you have an instant bottom wick here on gold. Futures is already flipping bullish though. Futures is already flipping bullish. Yeah, I have Sam. Yep, I have. Yeah. I see. Come on, Goldie. Come down a little bit more. Copper's already flipping bullish. What's going to cause new trading? It's not. Yeah, 100%, man. I'm not making from trading. Yes, not making from trading at all. That's why you just admit the difference. Gold's starting to flip bullish. Not any longs yet.
Go on, lad.
Same as copper. Copper flipping bullish. Anyone take that copper flip already? If you take the copper flip, remember your stops have to be here. Try and see if you can get this pullback much higher. I took the copper flip. Yeah, nice. Same. Nice. I'm not in this copper trade, but if you guys did take, yeah, it's good. As soon as you start grabbing these highs, you know you can look to manage as well. It was actually nice on the 15 as well. Came down, grabbed the lows, closed bullish. I don't usually go down to the 15, but it's quite nice to see it play. Now, as soon as you come into these areas, area to be wary of. You'd be like that. What are you hitting there? What's that flip giving you? About 11? Not bad. That's that flip there.
All day.
All day, every day.
All day. Someone messaged me on Instagram. They were like, oh, why do you want to take like 8, 9 ticks? I'm still in profit. I'm paying for like 4 ticks. If I could take 4 ticks and like use 20 lots, I'd be good.
Yeah, it doesn't matter as long as you are overall profitable. Even if someone takes 100, doesn't mean that that's like better. Tracking always wins. Look at that copper flip. Copper having a nice push there. Moved to break even on copper. Yeah, nice. Coming straight into that resistance, grabbing highs about 14 ticks. This is the main area to want to be watching, but this is as targets. But this isn't the area to definitely manage. Definitely to manage. Good job if you guys did take it. I didn't take that copper trade. Hold on. It was you know, you had a very nice break below, break back above, held at support, instant bottom wick, and a push higher. So it made sense. Tracking funding.
And I know that probably sounds like obvious, but generally, do you know the less I trade? You want to jump on the charts, it's just like so much more clearer than what I'm seeing.
Yeah, definitely, man.
It's mad.
100%.
It's like, don't get me wrong, like I know there's 1 or 2 months I've had 100%, but I've only traded like 4 fucking trades that month, you know?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Less is definitely more.
Yeah, it's just like, how many trades have I taken this month? And this month I've been trading much more. So, 9 trades this month.
9 trades, yeah, that's good, man.
Like 9.
Yeah, less is definitely more. The more time you spend on the charts here, the more you just end up just getting confused and just trying to take trades every single day. I'd be very surprised if someone's taking good trades every single day.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's pretty easy to jump on and know if there's going to be a good trade on. Like pretty much right now, you like look at gold. It's like, okay, cool. We're not going to watch gold for the rest of the day. There's nothing's going to happen in here. So it's like you can either just take the rest of the day off or go look at something else. Copper's having a nice push up there. Hit around 21-ish ticks. If you guys did take that, a good level to start securing some. Very, very nice level. That 30 flip was beautiful. Yeah, even on copper, yeah, just even just waiting for that. You know, once this closes below, if you want longs, we'll just come back to the next 30. Oh, cool, the next 30 is closed above. Great, now I can trade. Really, really nice push there on copper. 21 ticks, whilst gold is doing absolutely 0. So copper with the Copper with the bang. 100% win rate, no trades taken.
I like that one. You seabird.
I got 100% win rate today. If you guys did take this, definitely a place to, if you're in for more than one, you know, I'd manage one there. If you get a runner up to here, fantastic. But to be honest, this is a very strong level. Look at this. Very nice level. Very, very nice level. Really nice push there on copper. You had the 30-minute fake out, which is what we wanted on gold. 30-minute fake out, broke below, broke straight back above, confirmed it as support, closed, holding support, bottom wick, push higher. Really nice push. Really, really nice push. Copper move so nice. Yeah, beautiful. This is that move on copper whilst gold is literally doing absolutely zero again. Like my buys on copper today. Even these buys on copper today. Like look how nice it was from here. Came down, grabbed the lows, closed bullish, like 70 plus tick push. I got it from here to here for about 25-ish. And you came down, re-grabbed the lows, and then just had a monster of a push as well. So much cleaner than gold.
Oh, wow. Up. There you go. Now I'm going to break even.
1250 per tick. Yeah, 1250 per tick. So even if you just took this at one contract times by 30 at one contract, it's a $375 trade at just one contract. You took it for two, it's a $750 trade. It's absolutely amazing. And then right there, you're done. There you go. 30 ticks. Full push done. I'm at $300 one contract right now. Got in at 4.39. Yeah, amazing. Good work, man. Well done. Yeah, if you guys did take that 30
you get it as well?
amazing. Who, me?
Yeah.
No, I'm done. I took copper buys earlier. I did take this one here. Nah. But there's a spoke about the fake out the bottom wick on the 30. Boom. 28, 30 ticks done. 4.39. That's a good entry. Where's that? 3935. 3935. Yeah, good entry, man. 3935. There. Yeah, 25 ticks, yeah. 20, 25. Amazing, man. Beautiful. And like I say, so that's literally while gold is doing absolutely zero. Zero. Nah, gold's gone to 1,000. What were you gonna say, Bob?
Sorry.
That's all right.
No, just saying, I've been listening to these new tunes. I don't know if you allow them on YouTube, like live or anything, but it's called Cream Liquid. Oh, banging tunes.
Yeah, you can only play copyright-free ones on YouTube. It's pretty annoying.
Did Mark play his own music on stream?
I think he plays copyright-free as well.
I rap original content.
You wouldn't.
I got a pretty schmick mic now, so I probably could.
Definitely could.
Rap.
I break even now.
Did you get the copper buys?
No, gold.
Gold sells?
I should have.
Yeah,
It's only 10 ticks, so. Mofo.
Look at that.
I got copper on my
On the FX?
No, I saw it.
Nah, spreads are ridiculous anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can trade it on futures.
Are they like on top step?
It's pretty spot on. Perfect.
Is it?
Yeah, pretty perfect, man.
Mm, that's in there.
Sometimes like one tick maybe, but yeah, it's honestly pretty perfect.
Yeah.
I'm back, guys. Yeah, good man. No worries, man. Trade journaling process? I don't journal, to be honest, anymore. I used to. I don't journal anymore. This is pretty much my journal, you know. Discord's my journal. Share all the trades in Discord as well, so that's pretty much my journal, man. And look at gold. Goldie's just in a pretty messy range. Copper's had a pretty decent push up. That's going to be the copper move for London. And gold, I am not going to watch at all. Not going to watch it at all. Copper with the absolute bank. Personal Discord server where I just post screenshots. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. I don't trade silver, man. I haven't really traded, so I couldn't really say. But yeah, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. Nice call there on copper. If you guys did get it, well done. Gold, don't trade gold. Don't even look at gold. Gold is just absolutely range bound. I won't watch gold until the next hour, which I'll update you guys on trade setups anyway. So there's no point watching gold too much. I'll wait for the hour and see how we go from then. But yeah, Zoom guys, appreciate you tuning in. I'll talk to you guys in Discord in the next hour or so. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
See you, man. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Bye bye.
You say love you.
All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. Good day today. Nice call there on copper. If you guys did get it, well done. Goldie is just creating a pretty ugly range. So I'm just gonna leave gold, let it do its thing. Don't force it. Took a little scalp there earlier on gold. Just a very small $250 trade. But for now, yeah, gold. I'm not gonna touch gold until at least the next hour, something like that. But I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Remember, Mark is going live in the Asian session. Let me post Mark's channel. If you guys want to watch Mark tomorrow, let me send. I'll try and tune in as well. Mark will be going live tomorrow for the Asian session, so be sure to tune into Mark's stream, and I'll see you guys there. If not, see you guys same time again tomorrow for the London session. Trade safe. Don't force it. Gold's ranging. See you all tomorrow. Peace.